Hello everyone. There's a great news for all the animal lovers. People who are wondering about the dog, the pet dog of those two girls who have been killed by the parents in Chittoor district due to superstitious beliefs, the dog is back. Yes. The dog was missing since last 4 days. As per few known people, we got to know that the dog is back to the premises of the building. The dog is inside the building. However, the dog is unable to get into the house because the door is closed, obviously. And the neighbors are feeding as of now. That's what I got to know. But for more information, I would request the activists and animal lovers in and around that locality, if they can go ahead and check on the dog, would be great, because the sources that I have are not direct connection. So it would be really nice if any direct connections from my end are in and around the Chittoor district, can go and have a visit and see how the dog is, and if possible, if the dog can fostered or adopted, because definitely the family is not going to come back, and not sure if the relatives are ready to take the dog in. But as per the few videos are coming out, the dog is inside the building but not inside the house. Initially what the news has come was Alekia, the girl who was killed, one of the eldest daughter in the house. She has informed her parents that she has killed the dog and again brought him back into life. But when the police has arrived there, they couldn't see any dog, a body of a dog, or anything that gave any hints that the dog was killed. But then again, there was a news that maybe the dog was killed somewhere else, or maybe the dog was abandoned somewhere else, or it would have been put in the kennel or a shelter. But not sure what happened. But today, suddenly, the dog arrived by all himself to the building. No one has guided him or no one has brought him till here. He came all alone by himself. Uh, where was he for last 3-4 days? No news. Let it be. Wherever he was, the good news is the dog is back, and he is inside the building, and it would be really nice if someone can go visit him. And I'm sure the neighbors are really good. They know the dog since last 10 to 12 years. That's what they say. If they're feeding, well and good, but the dog needs a lot of love. The dog needs home. The dog needs family, because the dog was really loved and pampered by Alekia. Whatever happened in the family due to some trance or some drugs or whatever, we're not sure. But definitely the girl is an animal lover. She's been taking care of a lot of street dogs in the locality. She's been feeding dogs. She's been feeding cows, rescuing animals. She's a wonderful girl. That's what I heard about her. So she's been treating him like her own brother from the time the dog, the pet has come home as a baby. Good that, they did not kill the dog, but it would be really nice if someone can visit the home. Thank you so much. We can have a peaceful sleep tonight.